everyone, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. Today on the menu is chicken cacciatore, so let's get cooking. I browned it in my deluxe multi-cooker. I love this because I can brown in it and cook in it. And then cut up my mushrooms. If you do not have the cup slicer, look how easy that is. Just look in my bio for my order link and order it. You will love it. Then I just added those mushrooms after I turned everything over because we want to brown on both sides. Then I added the mushrooms, onions, and peppers. I always freeze my green and red peppers because I don't use them enough and I don't want them to go bad. And if you're throwing away food, freezer is your friend. Added the tomato sauce, set it for 20 minutes because it is bone-in chicken, and then I made my pasta. And I love the Brilliance cookware because the drainers are built right into the cover. Then just naturally released it. Just took about 5 minutes, 10 minutes to naturally release. And then there it is, a quick and easy weeknight meal that my whole family loves. What are you cooking up? I'd love to hear.